Barat Etai Ethiopia. Wasema lagi. My happiness is I know you have rubbed shoulders with the outgoing governor, and I know that now Mwabuagu Shanilaki Sama Adana work together for the betterment of this county. I know why I had experience in terms of leadership. Paul Simbarat is a very good, a successful member of parliament. Now the new government in Kisii County. We wish you luck. May God bless you so much. But I want to remind you one thing. I come from Bucha, a probable county next time. We need a study like this in a field called Tendere. Now this is over. Now I extend the county services to Bucha in Tendere Stadium. You come from there. Another very important thing, my governor, don't forget to give level 5 hospital. Kisii is done, Maran is done, now go to Gembo. The last bit of the story, make sure you put up a good factory in my constituency. What we need is service delivery. May God bless you so much. Give it us.
Thank you, Mheshimiwa Alpha.